Morning everyone, how are you? I'm not in my office today, I'm not in the dining room. I am at Animal Kingdom Jumbo House and I've got a savannah room view. So today I've got Blake as my cameraman, so today I'm so excited to show you I have got my first ever magic at your door box. I am so excited. So join me after the intro, let's open it and see what goodies I've got. You ready? Hit it, maestro! Oh, I am so excited. But the best thing about this box, look, I've got to show you. Look what it says. Yay! It's got my YouTube channel name on. Now, for anyone from the UK, you'll be saying to yourself, how on earth have you got the magic at your door box, Karen? Because they don't deliver to the UK. And what I've done is I've actually set up a US postal address. It's a company that do it, and at the moment I've sent a message asking them if at all possible if I could have a discount code, so that for any of you in the UK or overseas from America, if you sign up you'll get a bit of a discount. So I'm waiting for a reply, so as soon as I know, if I get it soon enough, I'll link it down below for you. But yeah, so that's how I'm doing it now. The only thing with it is they do have to open it, so I've not opened it, it's all sellotaped up, as you can, well, I thought it was all sellotaped up, it's not. They open it and they have to check what's actually inside the box, because potentially this was then going on to England, but because I'm here I've had it delivered to the hotel, so obviously for customs they have to actually open it. So I've requested that all the packing materials, the silver pouch and everything's left in, so I really hope it is, and I hope it's okay because this is the first one ever and I'm really super excited. So yeah, you ready? Shall we open it? Hopefully Blake's not moving the camera around too much. I can see it bobbing a little bit, but he's holding it. I haven't got my tripod, so if it's a bit wobbly, I'm so sorry. But shall we get on? Shall we see what we've got? Right, so let's see. I want you to be able to see what I can see. So, and thank you to Mike and 001 for actually putting my YouTube name on the box. I asked them if they could do that rather than my actual name, because I think it's more personal because it's for the channel. So, oh, they have. Ooh, okay, so in the top. Oh yeah, so everything's in. So let's put it down. I've got a little table. We're out here on the balcony. Oh, I've got my scissors, which I don't need. So then, what have we got here? Oh, that's lovely. So that's lovely, isn't it? So that's a certificate saying that I'm now part of Magic at Your Door subscription service, mailing service, part of the team. That's how I read that, as part of the team. So it says, if you can dream it, you can do it, and always let your conscience be your guide. May the magic of Disney be forever at your door. So that's really lovely. And that one, I think, they're the same as on the front of the box. Yes, it is. So that is Dude for the box that I've joined, which has got Toy Story. So I've seen a few Toy Story boxes, so I wonder if that's what this one is. So I don't know. So we've also got, I've never seen these before. Yay, we've never seen this before. I have got the price list with all the prices on, and you have no idea how much that's going to help me on all my shopping hauls. So it's got here, more than a subscription, it's an experience. We hope that you love these magical Disney surprises that were selected especially for you. Be sure to explore every nook and cranny of your magic box, including the insides of each item, as you never know where more Disney magic may be hiding. And it's got on there their limited edition Halloween and Christmas boxes, so you can look at the prices, so you can figure out how much your box was worth. And you've got your headbands, $27.99, and your packing confetti, which is priceless. Oh, I've got my packing confetti in here! Yay! Now, I did ask them to leave my silver pouch in, but I was hoping they'd have left it full, because they take things out, as I've said, for the shipping. So I need to sort that out. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to put something in that I saw on top in here, and I'm going to seal it up, and that is my silver pouch that I will open later. Do you like that? I have to improvise. So then, first thing in the box, and I haven't got these. I've got a pair of ears. I've got a pair of these, and I have my scissors. So on camera I am now going to cut the label off, and I'm also going to cut the label off, because if it's your first time watching me and you've come over from maybe Magic at Your Door, or you've just found my channel, I've started a revolution, yes, a revolution, on cutting your labels off your ears, because there's nothing worse than going around with a great big white bit sticking out of your hair. Do you agree? I think so. So look, so there we go. And ironically, I didn't bring any ears with me, so is that perfect? Do they look all right, son? So then I've got my ears on, I've got rid of my label. That's fine. So yeah. Blake's just told me what I missed, Mike. I'm so sorry. On here, it's got, where was it again, son? Oh, on the paper, it's got "Welcome to the Ohana of Magic at the Door," so part of the family. Karen, what you like, right, so what else have I got in my box? So I love these, right. There's a t-shirt. Oh, that's lovely. I hadn't seen that. So it's Dream Home Goals. I like that. I really like that. I actually nearly bought something like that the other day, so I really like that. And that should be $16.95 is the price of that. So I do like that t-shirt. It's really lovely, right? And because I'm here for 26 nights. Oh, you don't know I'm here for 26 nights. This is part one of my month vacation to the USA, hence Karen's USA Adventures. I'm here at Jambo House with the family, and then I go over next week to Coronado for the pin event, and I'm there for 10 days, so I'm so excited. So that's fab. Ooh. I haven't got one of these. Did you buy one of these the other day, son? I have now got a Lady and the Tramp notebook. Oh, that's lovely. And inside it's done like a video cassette, and if you turn the pages over, it's got Lady on there and lines. So yeah, love that. Right, I have got a sticker. These are patches that you can sew on or stick on, and on my laptop case I've just bought the great big castle one, and I've stuck it on. So these stick onto your laptop case, is lovely, and that's $9.99. And this one I think is from Coco. Is that right? I think so. Yeah, Blake thinks so as well. I like that, and it's got a bit of bling on it. So yeah, fabulous. Absolutely fabulous. Then what else have I got in here? Have I got anything else? I've got to look in every nook and cranny. I have got an alien pencil, and I love Toy Story, and I've got the little green man. So I've got a feeling the person sat in front of me might be pinching this. So I love that. And is that everything in my box? I think I've just got my pouch now. Oh, are we ready? And I kind of saw what it was, and I'm kind of really thrilled. And I think I might already have this. I can't quite remember. No, I haven't. Oh, I haven't got this one. Oh, that's fabulous. No, I haven't. I've got the grape soda Alex and Arnie charm. Oh, that's absolutely wonderful. Oh, I'm thrilled with that, because I'm such a big Up fan, as many of you will know. Yeah, and that's absolutely beautiful, and that's normally $44.95. So if we add it up, $44.95. I might need my phone to do this, because I'm not at home, so I haven't got my table in front of me. So let's do it on the calculator. So we got $44.95, we got $27.99, we have got the patch, that was $9.99, we have got the notebook, that was $15.99. Wow. We've got the t-shirt, which was $16.95. And then we've got the pencil pen. I'm not sure what these are. What would you say, about $9.99? About $9.99, I guess that. So that is a total value of that. And I paid $99.99 for my box, and that included shipment. So that's fabulous value. So I absolutely adore that. I can't wait for next month for my next box. But yeah, absolutely thrilled, and I'm thrilled I can get it at long last. So yeah, so that's wonderful. So for anyone who's not in America, you can still get this subscription box. So I'm absolutely thrilled. So thanks so much, Mike. Thank you so much, 001. You do know I'm 007, don't you? You do know I'm 007. So 001's okay, but I'm 007. Long-standing joke. I have like gold Funko Pops to prove I'm a gold James Bond gold girl. What are they called? Bond girl, Bond girl. I don't know, but I'm one of them anyway, and I'm 007. So thanks so much, Mike and 001, and yeah, love that. Hope you enjoyed it. Be good, be kind. Don't forget, if you haven't already, please click subscribe at the end of the video. I've got loads of unboxing videos, lots of trip videos, lots of pin content, my Tokyo chooses in my Tokyo vlog. So hope you enjoy them. See you soon. Be good, be kind, take care of yourselves, and I'll see you really soon. Bye for now, everyone. Bye.